everybody, I am the quality manager for Top Talent and I want to introduce this gauge because it's not a small one, but you can see the component and every design. So about these parts, you can see we can close every part. In short time you can fix the parts inside and you can check everything. You can see it's very accurate surface, very smooth. You can see it's a good design and the functionality of this gauge is so easy, can work in one people. I can open everything in 2-3 minutes and I can change the parts and we can start again to check another part because time is money. And if this short time to check one part, maybe with 2 people can check in 2-3 minutes, 1 people 5-6 minutes. But the result is very exactly to know the part is okay or not. Depends on the design of the gauge. This is very important.